Here's a quick tip, guys, on how to do a clay mode. This is really easy. So I have this set up here and I wanted to do a clay mode. Instead of reassigning each individual asset a default material like a clay material, if you go to your render settings, if you scroll all the way down to, where is it? Right here, under Toon Shade or under Octane Server, you scroll here, you have clay mode. It's set to none. If I come here, I can set it to gray, and then boom, it's going to turn everything to clay mode. Or you can go to color, and then yeah, I don't know what color does, but just go to gray. There it is. That's how you can basically do a clay mode render. Super easy. Hey guys, if you're new here, my name is Patrick LeVar. I make videos on Blender Octane and I'm teaching everything I know and giving it out for free. If you want to learn Blender Octane, I do have a free 101 guide, links down in the description. And also for those of you who also know who I am, I do also have my free Blender Octane 3-point lighting tool add-on. It's free. Also down in the description. Take a look at those guys and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.